Okay, here is what seemingly is another Monte Carlo fan, but I'm not well versed in these early mid-2000s quote-unquote higher-end fans, so for all I know it might be an Emerson, though if it's anything like the one in the other room that had a Monte Carlo label on the wall control, then I would assume this one is Monte Carlo as well. Fan is probably from somewhere in 2003, maybe 4, or maybe 2002 when the house was built. And this one has pull chains, unlike the other one, so it could be operated just off of a single wall switch. However, that's not the case. It has this remote. Relatively straightforward. Light, off, high, medium, low. So yeah, let's give it a test drive. There's your light. Makes a buzzing noise when it's on for some reason, as if it's a fluorescent bulb in there, even though I'm pretty sure it's not. We'll start it up with low. So this one is pretty similar to the one you saw in the last video, except this one has a slightly different vent pattern, slightly different bottom plate on the motor housing. Of course it has a chain, and it's an antique brass as opposed to nickel. Kick it up to medium. Not a whole lot faster than low, but still something, I guess. The factory speeds might be better than the remote control provided speeds. Yeah, that's medium. Okay. Now let's go to high. Got a little preemptive wobble. Grab the remote and turn it off. Off, do you read me? Yep, there we go, got it. Yeah, remote receiver might be a little flaky, but you know, that's kind of to be expected in some of these. Anyways, there you go. This is another, what I believe is Monte Carlo fan.